Is it on? I think it's on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniel. This is Tech Wright. Alright, so today I am refilming this video because from my last video I rewatched everything and I kind of made a video about this and explained to you all that it was crap. So this is me 100% remaking said video. And from the thumbnail, I guess you can probably maybe see that this is about the new iPhone. So without further ado, subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos. Hit that like button, press that comment, check my social media out of the blah. I'm not even gonna do that, that was exhausting. Just stay tuned, I'll tell you what I know. All right, you guys, so around this time every single year, we see a ton of iPhone videos come out on every single tech channel. It comes out, all of the leaked rumors, my channel's not any different. A lot of people are confused and they're wondering what we're going to call the new iPhone this year. And from the looks of it and all the research that has been done, it looks like it's going to be called the iPhone X Plus. Which brings me to one of the biggest topics in this video. Serial leaker Benjamin Gaskin released a picture of a 6.5-inch display iPhone that we're thinking is going to be the iPhone X Plus. I mean, it could be the iPhone 11, maybe they'll scale it back and do an iPhone 9, doubt it. But I'm thinking it might be the X Plus. Probably gonna be $2,000, but we'll see about that. In other news, hold your horses here, grab your pants. Apple is expected to release a 5.8-inch display and a 6.5-inch display this year, as well as the previous iPhone just kind of vamped up a little bit, which is gonna make a total of 3 iPhone models coming out this fall, all of which are gonna be very expensive. I'm kind of joking when I say that, but I'm not really joking because it is gonna be very expensive and I'm gonna want all 3 of them. Alrighty, so something else that I'm really excited about, you may be too. Previously, Apple has done something called a 5C, which is basically an iPhone 5 or 5S. It was just used cheaper material so that you can have a cheaper phone. They'll sell it as a cheaper price tag. And from a business standpoint, I personally think that they were just trying to get not only increased income, but they were trying to get some of the parts out of their warehouse that they had extra parts of. Given the fact that iPhone X sales did not do as well as they originally thought, I'm thinking that they're gonna release a C version of the iPhone X, which is going to be released in a variety of colors. I did see somewhere on the internet that it was going to be released in like red, blue, black and white, obviously, green, which is basically almost the same colors that were released when the iPhone 5C was out. Now, Ming Chi Kuo, which everyone knows is one of the most reputable leaking sources that you could possibly get from Apple, and 99% of the time his stuff comes true. He is saying that there's going to be a gold version of the iPhone X that comes out in the fall. I am extremely excited about that. If this was available in gold, which this is the iPhone 10 or iPhone X, whatever, this was available in gold, I would have bought it, specifically for the fact that over the past several years, the gold and the rose gold I've had some beef with. The rose gold is not a rose gold, it is pink. It's an overly saturated color of a rose gold, which is pink. In the gold, it's not brassy enough, I guess you could say. It's basically just a tinted, stained, yellow looking color. And then when you put that on an aluminum backing, which has been on for the past several years, it's gonna look a little cheap. Sorry, I'm checking a text message. Back on topic, the iPhone 8 that was released this year, it is the most beautiful color that I've ever seen. It's not overly saturated. It's got beautiful actual gold accents. It's more of a bronzed out color. It's not overly done, and I just think that that's one of the most beautiful colors I have ever seen. If they had not released an iPhone X and it was just the 8s, I would have gotten the 8 in the gold. Or if they released the X in the gold, I would have hands down bought that. So the fact that they're releasing an iPhone X or possibly an iPhone X Plus in the gold color, just need you to know that that's the one that I'm gonna go for. The last thing that we're gonna talk about, and I've kind of hinted on that several times throughout this video, is price. Now, last year, and still, Apple has released the iPhone 10 at $1,000 and $1,250, which is the one that I have in my hand. Do I regret it? I don't regret buying the phone, but I regret, like, when I look at the price tag, I'm like, I should have waited, because this is too much. It's too much money for what this is. If this was like $800 or $900, hands down, fine. But to add like $400 or $500 more on top of that, that's stupid. The iPhone X Plus is rumored to be around $899.99, which excites me a lot because that means they're gonna tone it down. And then the iPhone X is rumored to be around $799.99. To be honest, I can't really see that happening, just for the simple fact that you can't go from $1,200 to $800 and $1,000 to $700. That's just not, that doesn't sound right to me. But, you know, it could be true. But I want to know what you guys think as well. So put a comment down in the comments below. Let me know what you think rumors are true or not true. I also want to know what you want or think that the new iPhone is going to have on it. Maybe they'll get rid of the notch. Be sure to like this video as well and hit that subscribe button. I have all of my social media links and everything that I film with in the description box below. If you don't feel like going down there and hitting the description box, then just hit this button to subscribe and check out these videos as well because they're important. I love all of you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Peace.